What's going on, my fellow stock market traders and investors? It's your boy Kevin. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down a small cap biotech stock that has me really excited. The company we're going to be talking about is Coya Therapeutics, ticker COYA. Coya IPO'd in late December 2022. It was actually the last company to IPO on the NASDAQ in 2022. So we're getting the opportunity to look at this promising biotech small cap at ground level. Coya is currently trading for about $4.15 per share. Coya is a small cap biotech company that is looking to produce and bring to market therapies that can combat neurodegenerative diseases such as ALS and Alzheimer's. If you've ever had anybody in your family that has suffered from a neurodegenerative disease like ALS or Alzheimer's, dementia, then you know that these diseases are terrible. Well, Coya, the company, is pioneering the research and development of new therapies to enhance the function of regulatory T cells, aka Tregs. And Tregs are the most important cell in the body that control inflammation, which we have discovered is very important in neurodegenerative disease decline. Coya has highly promising clinical data in ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease that is already presented this week, came out March 21st, 2023, illustrating that one of its assets can potentially stop ALS disease progression. A remarkable feat to say the least. Furthermore, additional clinical data in Alzheimer's will be released May 2023. Could be a huge catalyst. With multiple catalysts throughout 2023 and clinical trials to be filed and run in 2023, Coya is at an important time as a publicly traded company. All right, so who's steering the ship? Who's captaining the ship? That's important when you're talking about biotech companies. Coya has some really experienced people in the biotech space behind the steering wheel. Howard Berman, CEO of Coya Therapeutics, has over 20 years of expertise in the biopharmaceutical industry. Howard brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to his role as CEO. Adrian Hepner is also a critical component of Coya's success. He has over 20 years of expertise in multiple biopharma companies, developing drugs, and receiving approval by the FDA. We know that FDA approval is a huge deal in small cap biotech stock. His expertise and experience encompasses transforming small cap stock companies, such as his time with Avenir, from a 50 million market cap to a 3.5 billion acquisition. That is a huge return there. From a $50 million market cap to a $3.5 billion acquisition. All right, so what are these Tregs? What are these T cells that could potentially prove to be important in the slowing or the stopping of these neurodegenerative diseases? Tregs, or regulatory T cells, are a subset of white blood cells that play a critical role in regulating the immune system and maintaining immune tolerance. Tregs function by preventing excessive or inappropriate immune responses that can lead to tissue damage and inflammation. In the context of neurodegenerative disorders such as ALS and Alzheimer's disease, neuroinflammation is believed to contribute to the progression, loss of neurons, and cognitive function. Tregs have been shown to play a protective role by regulating the immune response in the brain and reducing the harmful effects of neuroinflammation. Coya Therapeutics research is currently underway to investigate the potential of Tregs as a therapeutic target for neurodegenerative diseases. The company's studies have suggested that boosting Treg function in the brain could help reduce this neuroinflammation and protect against neuronal damage, potentially slowing the progression of these conditions. The most important asset that enhanced Tregs that Coya has in its pipeline are these two biologics, Coya 301 and Coya 302. All right, Coya 302 is really exciting. Coya Therapeutics just reported on March 21st, 2023, with exciting proof of concept data from its clinical trial for this Coya 302, a new combination drug for treating ALS. The results for this novel biologic were positive, with a halting of ALS progression in patients out to 24 weeks and minimal decline out to 48 weeks. There is no drug on the market that can currently halt ALS progression. All right, check out this company, AMLX, market cap of $2 billion. Coya has a market cap of around $40 million. So $2 billion versus $40 million. Well, based on Coya's data, it looks stronger than AMLX's data, which is a company with a $2 billion market cap under the ticker AMLX. So you got $2 billion, you got $40 million, and Coya's data looks even better than theirs does. Coya 301, this is another therapy. Coya 301 is a biologic for subcutaneous administration intended to enhance Treg function for the treatment of dementia and possibly Alzheimer's disease. Coya has clinical data. This is a huge catalyst to pay attention. Coya has clinical data upcoming in April 2023 in which they will present the effect that Coya 301 had in Alzheimer's disease patients, and that this may serve as an important catalyst. All right, so let me know what you think about Coya Therapeutics in the comments. Currently trading with a market cap of $43 million. The Coya 301 treatment and the Coya 302 treatment have me really excited. I think these clinical trials could prove as a catalyst. They also have several more promising therapies in the pipeline. Let me know what you think in the comments. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until next time, peace.